Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Animesh, and you are watching the fourth part of Learn Playwright with TypeScript series. So in the last lecture we learned about Playwright configuration, and also we learned about how to execute Playwright test using command line argument as well as VS Code extension. So in this lecture we'll be writing our first test, but before that we need to understand the application we'll be testing. So I have designed a specifically new application for automation practice, so we need to install that and run the server, and we can test that application. But feel free to use any application live website of your choice if you want to. So let's get started. So once you open the GitHub link, you will get a step-by-step instruction how can you clone the repository, and then how can you install and run the application. So let me follow the instruction and then I will be running this code. So let's copy the git clone command, and you need to go to your command prompt or terminal, paste it, so it will be cloned. So I have the folder present now. Then I'll be going to the next instruction and then copy the command, and I'll be going in my terminal, and then I go inside that, and then I need to provide npm install. So npm install will install all the dependencies for this project. So let's wait for that npm command to be. Then once this installation is done, then I need to run it using npm run dev, and now the application will be opened. So this application is running in 5173 port in localhost. So if I copy this link and go to my Chrome and try to access this application should run. So this is the sample application we can use for any test automation practice you will be doing. So next part is to write your first test. So let me go to my VS Code directory. So as you can, so in this lecture we'll be writing our first test. So we'll delete this test for now, and then we will be writing our first test. So move it to trash, and then let's create a new file. So when you are writing a test, you need to create a new file, a new spec file. So I'll name it as demo.spec.ts. so it is a TypeScript file, so it will be a TypeScript. So the first thing we need to do is to import test. So let me import test from Playwright test. So will be importing test from Playwright test as I have. And now to write any test, I need to first create a test block, test, then this is my first test, and I have. So once you provide the description, in the second argument you have to provide asynchronous callback function, and once I have done the asynchronous callback function, so need to do a fat arrow, and this is the structure. So this is the structure, guys, for writing a test. So anything we will be doing writing inside this test block will be considered as the first test. So what we need to do, guys, so in order to first we need to launch a browser and a page, and then we need to navigate to the website, right? So what we will do, so in order to access any web page, Playwright provides some fixture like browser, context, and page. So in this we'll be using this page fixture. I'll be explaining a fixture in details in the subsequent videos, but for now you need to understand this page is a fixture provided by Playwright, and this is for any page we'll be opening. Go to is for navigating to a particular web browser. So So we have to keep the URL we want to navigate here. So let's copy the URL and then we need to provide it here. And as you know, you will see this is goto is a promise, JavaScript promise. In order to resolve this promise, we need to use await. So it is the Copilot is already suggesting me. I'll use the tab. So this is the first line of code where we will be going to this page. This is then once we go to this page, we need to verify that we are already in the page. So if I am in this page, so every page, web page have a title, right? So we can verify if we have navigated to the correct URL by verifying the title. So if you inspect it, so every web page is configured of HTML. So we can if we right click and click on inspect, we'll go to the Chrome Dev tool, and you can see here we will be getting the title here is Learn with Animesh. So we need to verify this, the page title is Learn with Animesh. So let me copy this. I'll be going here. So in order to verify anything in the page, we need assertion, and Playwright use expect assertion. So we need to import this expect from here. So I will be explaining what is assertion and what Playwright assertions are in the subsequent pages, but for now we are just using this expect assertion. So we need to use an await and then page, then expect this page to have. So Playwright uses really robust assertions, so I am getting IntelliSense. This one, page to have title, is to use this. So let's execute this test and see if this is passing or not. So as you can see, the page is opened and it is verifying if the title is there, and the test passed. So as this is passed, so we can see that the assertion is working, but it is always recommended to fail the test and then see if this test is fine or not. So let me change the page title to have this one, and then let's re-execute this test to ensure our test is working, because negative assertion is always should fail the test and see if this thing is working or not. So see, this page title have failed. So this is it, guys. So in this video we'll see how to write our first test, and then we see what is the application we will be testing, and time for a knowledge check. If you follow along this video, you should be able to answer the question and put your answer in the YouTube comment so that I can reply if you are correct or not, and also I'll be providing the correct answer on my LinkedIn profile. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and all the GitHub link I'll provide in the description, so check out the description. And this is the part 4. I'll be soon releasing the part 5 for this Playwright series. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you will be doing well, and see you in my next video.